Here we go again. Rome, Italy. Gelato 500, gelato reviews. Okay, here we are. Frigidarium. Again, this is a scientific review. There's criteria, flavor, texture, vibe.
Welcome to the Gelato 500, where we search for the best gelato in all of Italy. This is Rome. Look at this place. It was made for photos. Why do we need photos? Are we still capable of enjoying the moment with the memory of being present and engaged? Or do we need evidence to share online? To let everyone know that we've escaped the monotony of everyday life, at least for a moment. Does anyone care? Will anyone feel what you felt in that moment? You already know the answer. Yet part of you secretly wishes maybe this photo of a plant will cut through the noise and touch someone. Will anyone hit the like button? Does anyone like me? Who cares? Don't curate your life for public consumption. You are not a product. Truthfully, no one really cares. Instead, put your phone away and be in the moment. Can we even have human connection anymore? Of course we can.
All right, Gelato 500, gelato review. Did that look natural? That was my second take coming out of there because we messed up the first time. Come this way. We have a spot on the wall. It's been taken. Someone saw us doing it. But we'll take it back. All right, guys. Here we go again. Rome, Italy. Gelato 500, gelato reviews. Sorry, it's all melting. I got to get this. Okay, here we are. Frigidarium. It's a chain. Generally, chains are not a good thing. But they say on the sign at the front, it's local production, artisanal. I believe it. Again, this is a scientific review. There's criteria, flavor, texture, vibe. Before I get to the flavor, let me point something out. You see this pistachio? That is the brownest pistachio we've gotten so far, which is good. There's no artificial colors in that. It's pretty natural stuff. I'll hold my biases about this being a chain, and I'll review it for what it is. Alrighty, here. So let me see the chocolate. It's chocolatey, not bad. I could see how this could be considered a chain. There's a certain like just missing something special, a little X factor, which makes great gelato great. But for an everyday gelato, I could live with it. I could live with it. The texture's pretty good. Nick's texture's pretty good. Not melting in the heat. All right. Look around it, get a sense for the atmosphere. We're in an alley here, because that looks edgy. The portrait photographer in me likes this. It's gritty. Do you like the background, Nick? Is it coming across well? We got like a yes nod. Go ahead, go through. We could not have picked a busier alleyway. Okay, let's get down to business. Okay, aggregate taste review, chocolate and pistachio. It's not bad. It's not special, but it's not bad. I'm going 7. 7 on the flavor. Texture. It's solid. It's creamy. But there's something in here. I think they put something in here where it's not completely natural. So that's going to take a bit of a hit. I'm going 6. So what did I say for flavor? 7? He's not paying attention. Cameraman's tuned out. I've dragged him across Italy too much. So let me rethink that. Oh, 6 flavor, 7 texture, ambiance, classic Italy. I like the wall here. Come around. We're going to get the front of the shop. You get the shop, Nikki? I will give it another point for the Vespa up front. Vespa gets another point. I'm going 8. I'm going 8. So our scores are 6, 7, 8. Yep. Geez, man. Here comes math. 7 plus 6 is 13. Plus 8.
21.
No, that's not right. Oh yeah, 21. 21 out of 30, whatever that is, out of 10.
7.
You'll see it right here. 7 out of 30. Thanks, Nick. Nick's still in school. Math is fresh on his mind. All right, guys. Ciao.
Hey, you made it to the end. Like and subscribe to join us on more gelato adventures. Leave a comment about your favorite gelato shop.